Welcome back to ZS Auto Car, your ultimate destination for the world's most powerful, stylish, and jaw-dropping machines. If you love speed, muscle, and innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're talking about a true legend reborn. The all-new next-generation 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS has finally been unveiled, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about American muscle. Get ready, because this one's going to blow your mind. Chevrolet has done something truly special with the 2026 Camaro SS. This isn't just another update or facelift. It's a complete revolution that takes the Camaro nameplate into a new era of performance and design. The new Camaro SS brings back the raw emotion of classic muscle cars but fuses it with futuristic technology, incredible aerodynamics, and an engine that can make your heart race at every rev. Under the hood lies a monstrous 6.2-liter V8 engine tuned to deliver an astonishing 700 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 700 horsepower straight from the factory. This makes the 2026 Camaro SS one of the most powerful production Camaros ever built. With lightning-fast acceleration, it can rocket from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. That's not just fast, that's supercar territory. Chevy engineers have pushed the limits to make sure this beast not only performs but dominates. When it comes to design, the new Camaro is a work of art. It's more aggressive, more aerodynamic, and more futuristic than ever before. The front fascia features razor-sharp LED headlights, a bold blacked-out grille, and a sculpted hood that screams power. The rear end has been completely redesigned with sleek taillights, a performance diffuser, and quad exhaust tips that announce its presence even before you hit the ignition. Every inch of this car has been crafted to look fast even when it's standing still. Step inside, and the interior will make you feel like you're in the cockpit of a fighter jet. Chevrolet has combined luxury and performance like never before. The 2026 Camaro SS features a fully digital driver display, ambient lighting, and premium leather racing seats that hug you perfectly through every corner. The new infotainment system is powered by Chevrolet's latest software, offering wireless connectivity, voice command, and real-time performance data. Everything inside is built for one purpose, to make the driver feel completely connected to the machine. But the magic doesn't stop with power and looks. The new Camaro SS also introduces advanced driving dynamics. The suspension system has been re-engineered for improved handling, and the car's aerodynamics have been fine-tuned in the wind tunnel to enhance stability at high speeds. It also features multiple drive modes, from comfort cruising to full track attack, allowing drivers to experience the Camaro in every possible way. Whether you're on city streets or a race circuit, the 2026 Camaro SS delivers unmatched performance and control. Chevrolet has also taken major steps toward the future by integrating hybrid-ready architecture, which means the next versions of the Camaro could introduce electric assist technology. This shows that Chevy isn't just focused on power, they're preparing the Camaro to stay relevant and competitive in the rapidly evolving world of performance cars. Now let's talk about sound. The exhaust note of the 2026 Camaro SS is pure music to the ears of car lovers. The deep growl of the V8, combined with active exhaust valves, means you get the perfect roar when you want it and silence when you need it. It's the perfect blend of old-school emotion and new-school engineering. On the road, the new Camaro feels planted, confident, and ready to attack every curve. Reviewers and early testers are already calling it one of the best-handling Camaros ever produced. With its enhanced traction, balanced weight distribution, and incredible braking power, the 2026 Camaro SS feels like it's ready for anything you throw at it. The future of muscle cars has arrived, and it looks and sounds like this. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS proves that American performance isn't just surviving, it's evolving into something even more powerful and intelligent. Chevrolet has built not just a car, but a statement. This is the ultimate expression of what a modern muscle car should be. Bold, fast, and full of heart. If you're as amazed by this new generation Camaro as we are, let us know in the comments what your favorite feature is, the design, the engine, or that iconic exhaust note. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ZS Auto Car, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news, reviews, and updates from the automotive world. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive. This is ZS Auto Car, signing off.